Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome, Family Squad. This is the Velvetlox with another wonderful video coming your way. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a powerful fat-burning drink that's going to attack those fat cells in your body. We're talking about shrinking that tummy fat, shrinking the fat in your legs, shrinking the fat in your whole entire body, okay? Now, I'm going to show you this easy-to-make drink, and you're going to need a full-size blender. Alright, so let's start with some of these wonderful ingredients that you're going to need. You're going to need 5 grapefruits. Okay, now these are the pink grapefruits. They're a little sweeter than the regular ones, but 5 of this or the regular ones is fine. You're also going to need a piece of ginger root. No powder in this, so it's strictly fruits. Okay, so you're going to need your fresh ginger root. You're also going to need pineapples. Okay, and you're going to need 2 limes as well as a lemon. Alright? So let me show you exactly how you're going to do this, and it's simple. So make sure you have your blender cup. Make sure you have your blender cup at hand. And I'm going to start off with cutting a piece of my ginger root. Okay? So there's the ginger root, maybe about 2-3 inches. And you're just going to cut this into pieces. Okay, and just drop it inside of your blender cup. Next, we're going to cut about a 1/2 cup of our pineapples. Okay, so there we have a 1/2 cup. And you're going to also put that in your blender cup as well. Next, we're going to de-skin our lemons and limes. Alright, so you're just going to cut it. And then you're going to cut the meat out of it. Now try to leave as much of the white part of the meat as possible, because there's lots of awesome benefits in that area of the lemons and limes. Okay, so that's good. And just put that in your blender. I'm going to do that to the whole lemon as well as the limes. Now the limes are a little bit different because they don't really have a whole lot of the skin part, so you just got to be careful when you're taking that out. Okay, so now we're going to cut our grapefruits. Alright, so I'll be back after all of these grapefruits have been de-skinned. Okay, I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm back. Now I finished de-skinning all of my items, all of my grapefruits, my lemons, my limes, and I'm ready to blend. So let's start the blending. Alrighty, so now I'm just going to pop this on. Okay, so I am ready. Now if you want to know where to purchase this full-size NUTRIBULLET blender, links will be down below. This is not a sponsored video. I'm just giving you some tips and where you can find some of these items. Alright, so you blend it for high until it's smooth. so we are done. And this made 48 ounces, okay? So I'm going to show you exactly how you are to drink this drink per day. Okay, so you get your regular mug, cup, okay, and you pour yourself about a cup. Now that was 48. Okay, so I would say about a cup, because you should split this into like three times per day. You have this in the morning on an empty stomach. Then right before lunch, 20 to 30 minutes before lunch, you pour yourself another glass. Or you can bring it with you in a container. And then right before dinner, 20 to 30 minutes again, you will also drink another glass right before dinner. Okay? Okay, so you drink this 3 times a day before your meals. You eat healthy light meals. Make sure that you definitely have this on an empty stomach in the morning, and this is going to shrink the fat cell. This is going to burn the fat in your body. Whatever fat you got around your arms, around your stomach, legs, this drink is going to do it. It's powerful. Okay, so thank you so much for joining me on this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe down below. All links for the blender as well as the straws, everything else you need to find will be down in the description bar. Also check out my new channel, Velvet Vlogs, where you will see hair care, skin care, as well as beauty care, fashion hauls, family vlogs. All of that will be on that channel, okay? And you guys, let me know how you enjoyed this drink, how it's worked for you. This is a powerful drink that you drink every day, 3 times a day, okay? And until the next video, you guys, I will see you then. Welcome YouTube family, this is the Velvetlox introducing to you my new channel, and this channel is called Velvet Vlogs. On this channel you will see hair videos, skincare videos, as well as family vlogs, okay? So check it out, go down below, click those links, and subscribe as well as turn on your notification bell, and I will see you there.